In this video, I want to share with you 7 free turkey Thanksgiving selfie prompts that you can use for your merch on demand business to get some sales for this upcoming Thanksgiving holiday. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those Thanksgiving turkey selfie prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand and for Etsy. So today is Monday, October 6th. 6:14 a.m. in the morning. I already got 3 sales and $13 in royalties. Yesterday was actually my best day of the month. Things have been kind of slow. You can see I've been basically doing like $70 almost every day. But then yesterday I did 95, and I actually had a pretty good day on UK, or someone bought 3 sales. So I did, or 4 t-shirts, did 14 bucks, and I even had a sale in Germany. I usually don't get too many sales in these foreign markets, but we can see here that yesterday was a pretty good day, so over $100. And that is going to put me at 176 sales for the month and just under $400 for the month. And then we go ahead and take a look at my stats for Etsy from yesterday, October 5th. We're going to see I had 3 sales. Looks like it was a t-shirt here, and then a PNG file here, and then a t-shirt here. I sell both POD and digital downloads on my shop. A lot of people ask me all the time if that is allowed or if you're able to do that, and yes, it is. I've been doing that for many years. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and for Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 20 years. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the content of this video. So if you've been on merch on demand for the past year or so, or even just print on demand, you've probably seen this selfie niche kind of start to take off. So it's basically, I think it started at the beginning of last year. I don't think this was around last Q4. I could be wrong, but maybe someone could double check me on that. But I'm pretty sure it started at the beginning of this year, and basically what it is these like start off with these cats taking these selfies with like aliens behind them, and it's kind of evolved over the year, and now people are taking this design style and they're cross niching it with upcoming holidays like Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. And so what I want to do is to share with you some Thanksgiving prompts with, instead of using a cat, basically using a turkey. But here I just kind of want to validate the niche here. We can just see that this is selling and just kind of show you like what the design kind of looks like. So here we're going to see 420 BSR. That's a really good one. Here it's like that's cat selfie niche, cross niche with Halloween. It's actually a really good looking one. And you can get pretty creative with this. Like here you can use pugs, you can use Bigfoot aliens. It doesn't have to even be like grayscale. That's kind of how it started, but here we can see kind of color. I want to do this because that's Tung Tung Sahur. My son's into that. But here we can see people are even crossing it with the F off niche, which is really creative. Here we got the alien and Bigfoot fishing. Here's a Christmas one. You can use different animals like squirrels, different dog breeds. So here we can see that the niche, is validated and selling really well. I wouldn't do that with Frankenstein, but this is a funny one, Chihuahua with a taco. But you can see here the main thing is you have like a cat or an animal that looks kind of like spooked or scared because there's something behind it that's going to attack it, and it looks like it's taking a selfie. So let's go ahead and take a look at the prompts that I made for you. And you can go ahead and download these on my shop. The reason I was looking at that is because I actually want to remind you guys to make sure to subscribe, because I just checked on the Portland niche. I made a video about a week ago talking about how this new political niche, Portland, is going to start to take off. And we can see here, this is one of the prompts that I recommended, or that I gave out for free. We can see that someone uploaded to it and is getting sales. We see it has a BSR. There's also another one, and here we can see that this is the prompt right here that I gave out for free. I also gave out this prompt as well, and it looks like someone also took that one and made a design and is starting to get sales. So right here we can see this one, free Portland, got a BSR. So the reason why I was looking at that is I just want to share with you guys to make sure that you're subscribed and you're taking a look, or you're downloading the free prompts so you can get some sales. But let's get back to this turkey niche right here, this Thanksgiving. So here is the first free prompt that I have for you. Here we have the turkey, and it's got the alien or the UFO in the background. Looks like it's chasing it. It's got the nice grayscale. So good prompt right here. And again, like I said, you can just download these prompts here if you just go to the I'll link in the description, 7 free turkey selfie prompts. But back to what the design and prompts look like. This next one is my favorite. That's why I put it on the thumbnail. I thought this was just really cool. You got the turkey, you know, with the sunglasses flying a jet, and I just thought this came out really nice. You got the jet in the background with the sun, so that was my favorite one. Next one is going to be a funny one where you have the turkey with T-Rex, and you got a gorilla, just like kind of like the weirder, almost the better with the UFOs. So good one right there. This one was kind of a different style. I didn't see, you know, the majority of them are kind of like these other ones that I just showed you right here, kind of these funny ones with aliens. But there is this style that I also saw was starting to sell. So you have the turkey here, and it's kind of like in this photo booth style where you have the 4 photos and you got the turkey in different positions with sunglasses. So I actually really like this one also. This one, you know, I like, but I kind of, for some reason when I was making it, the Bigfoot it was like really big and was kind of overshadowing the turkey. So in the prompt I said make the Bigfoot kind of smaller, but it kind of gave it like this baby face, which I don't really like too much. And honestly, I don't really like the color either. I like it all grayscale. So, you know, you can take this prompt right here and just go like use, and right here you can see you can kind of like change it or just use it as a template and like make the Bigfoot kind of normal, make sure everything is gray. But that I believe is the 5th one. The 6th one right here is we're taking Thanksgiving, the turkey, and we're crossing it with Halloween. So again, we have the turkey looking spooked out, and then you have the ghost in the background. And you can see how the turkey is really focused, but the ghosts are not. So that's a good style right here. And then this was my second favorite one right here, really funny one, where you have like, it looks like a pilgrim that's chasing the turkey that's ready to eat it. So really funny one right there. So those are the 7 free prompts. And again, this style, as we can see right here, is just selling very well. And since we have Thanksgiving coming up, I thought this could be a good idea for you guys, to give you guys some free prompts. And in case the prompts aren't coming out exactly like you're seeing here on my video, one thing that you can do, just a quick little tip here, is go to this page right here, the sales page, and what you want to do, if you click on these arrows right here, you can actually see all the prompts. Alright, so like if you want to make this one, let me just make this a little smaller. What you can do, if you don't, you might already know this trick, but what you can do is you can just take a screenshot. If you have a Mac, you take a screenshot like this. Let's get rid of those dots and go to ideogram, and then you can find the prompt. So the prompt is in the Word file when you download it. So we're just going to go ahead and use it. And then if you just go ahead and click on design and just hit quick reference, and we're just going to go ahead and choose from some of my creations. Okay, so actually I misspoke. What you have to do is you have to download it right here, or download I'm sorry, going to download like this, and then we're going to go ahead and come here, and basically what you want to do is you just want to use the screenshot as an image. I messed up. So go to browse and go to desktop, and you just want to find that screenshot, and there we're going to see that it pops up. It's going to use it as a reference, and so now you have the prompt and you have the reference or the screenshot right here. That's going to make it come out pretty much exactly like this right here, right? So in case the prompts aren't coming out exactly as you want, just take a screenshot and then upload it onto ideogram using the style feature. And then here are the prompts again, and if you want, I'm actually running a sale. You just click on my face right here. Usually I do a 50% off sale, but I was feeling a little generous today, so I figured, hey, let's go 75%. So here we can see like those Christmas prompts. Instead of $10, it's only $2.50. And I have a whole bunch of free prompts as well. You can see all the free prompts that I have right here just on the home page. But if you're looking for like some holiday prompts, here we can see you got the 50 Christmas prompts, and I also have Halloween prompts, Thanksgiving prompts, breast cancer prompts. And then if you're looking for a deal, you click on bundles right here, and you can get 500 evergreen prompts for only $6. So that's a really good deal right there. And then if you're looking for a niche service, you might want to consider joining my school community. So I have a school community where I give out niches and prompts every day, no days off, for both Merch on Demand and for Etsy. You also get access to all my GPTs and all that good stuff. Write your listings for you. It's only $24 a month, and you can cancel at any time, no questions asked. And actually, I got this cool comment this morning or 16 hours ago from Kathy saying 3 sales. I've just received 3 t-shirt orders within 36 hours, and I couldn't be happier. At first, it was 1 a week, but now it's 3 in a week. Let's hope to stay consistent. One happy camper. So just pretty cool here. Well, first, congratulations to Kathy, but just pretty cool here to see some of the niches and prompts I've been giving out, helping people get sales. So if you're interested, you can click on the link. It will take you to this video right here, give you kind of like more information about who my school community is for and what you receive as a school community member and how to profit from the information that I give you. That's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about that niche, the turkey niches, and those prompts. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.